Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Primavera P6 complete tutorial series. In episode 1, we learned the basic introduction of Primavera P6. In this episode, we will learn how to install Primavera P6 and understand the software interface. This tutorial is explained step by step in simple English. So let us start. What we will learn in this video. In this video, we will learn how to install Primavera P6, how to open the software, how to understand the main interface, and how to identify important sections inside Primavera P6. By the end of this video, you will understand the basic working environment of Primavera P6. Primavera P6 Installation Introduction. First, let us understand the installation process. Primavera P6 is professional project planning software developed by Oracle. Before using the software, we need to install it properly on our computer. Always use the official installation setup provided by your company, institute, or authorized source. System requirements. Before installation, make sure your computer meets the basic system requirements. You should have Windows operating system, minimum 4 GB RAM, sufficient storage space, and administrator access for installation. A good computer helps the software run smoothly. Start installation. Now open the Primavera P6 installation folder. Locate the setup file. Double-click on the setup file to start installation. The installation wizard will open. Follow the instructions step by step. Accept license agreement. Now read the license agreement carefully. Select I accept the agreement. Then click Next. This step allows the installation process to continue. Select installation location. Now select the installation folder. Usually, the default folder is recommended. Click Next to continue. The software files will now start installing on your computer. Complete installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your computer speed. After installation is complete, click Finish. Primavera P6 is now installed successfully on your system. Opening Primavera P6. Now open Primavera P6 software. You can open it from the desktop shortcut or Start menu. After opening the software, the login screen may appear. Enter your username and password if required. Then click Login. Understanding the main interface. Now let us understand the Primavera P6 interface. This is the main working area of the software. Different sections are available here for project planning and scheduling. At first, the interface may look difficult, but do not worry. With regular practice, it will become easy to use. Now let us understand the main parts of the interface one by one. The main interface. Now let us understand the Primavera P6 interface. This is the main working area of the software. Different sections are available here for project planning and scheduling. At first, the interface may look difficult, but do not worry. With regular practice, it will become easy to use. Now let us understand the main parts of the interface one by one. Number 1 is the title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the software window. It shows the software name and the current project name. Number 2 is the main menu. The main menu contains different options such as File, Edit, View, Project, Enterprise, Tools, and Help. These menus help us access all important functions inside Primavera P6. Number 3 is the toolbar. The toolbar contains shortcut icons. These icons help us quickly save projects, schedule activities, and perform other important actions. Using toolbar shortcuts saves time. Number 4 is the Activities area. This area displays all project activities in table format. Here we can see Activity ID, Activity Name, Start Date, Finish Date, and Duration. Most planning work is done in this section. Number 5 is the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart shows project activities in graphical form. It helps us understand project timeline, activity sequence, start dates, finish dates, and progress. This is one of the most important sections in Primavera P6. Number 6 is the Details area. The Details area is located at the bottom of the screen. It shows detailed information about the selected activity. Here we can check resources, predecessors, successors, notes, and activity settings. Number 7 is the sidebar. The sidebar is located on the right side of the screen. It provides quick access to different sections such as activities, resources, reports, tracking, and WBS. This helps us move easily between different project management areas. Now you have a basic understanding of the Primavera P6 interface. Do not try to memorize everything immediately. Practice slowly inside the software. With regular use, you will become comfortable with all interface sections. Ending of episode 2. Thank you for watching episode 2 of our Primavera P6 tutorial series. In this video, we learned how to install Primavera P6 and understand the software interface. In the next episode, we will learn how to create a new project in Primavera P6 step by step. Please like, share, and subscribe to @dailydose24h for more Primavera P6 tutorials. See you in the next video.
Daily Dose.